In this video, I will show you how to convert HTML website to WordPress. In order to do that, you can head over and see this add new site option right here onto your site option. You can click on this import an existing site. So once you have done that, it will show you up to the hosted migration of WordPress. So you can just enter in here your site address. However, if it's actually your HTML, what you can do is you can head over and then add those HTML onto your theme. Alternatively, if you already added that site from any platform list or your site address, you can head over and then just open your WordPress site. So into your WordPress site directory, just head over and navigate to the one that we want. Now onto your settings, just scroll down and here you can see this transfer your site as well as all of these options right there. So what you can do is you can click on this right there and then enter in here your own WordPress username or email in order to proceed. And then you can just import your directory as well as your folder all together on that one. It requires actually extensive coding, so you need to make sure that you know how to do it.